I want to talk to you about a few things that you can do to make sure that you do very well in online math with Mrs. Brown. The first thing, you should print the schedule, the activity guide, and then any journals or worksheets or whatever else I tell you at the beginning of each unit. And so we have 3 units in Math 106, we have 3 chapters in Math 113, same idea for both classes. Print out everything you need at the beginning of the chapter when I tell you, because I'll tell you you need to print these things. So print those all out, and then you have them, put them into a binder so that you keep your papers in order and you can look at them very quickly. They'll help you a ton whenever you run into trouble or you get confused. Okay, the activity guide is your how-to manual for this class. So take notes on the videos that you watch me working these problems, write it down in your notes, and then you'll have that resource that you'll need for your homework problems. Have a backup computer and internet lined up for the inevitable day when your computer isn't working, because I generally will not extend your deadlines if you have computer trouble. So you need to have some backup set up so that you can go to the public library, you can go to a campus nearby you that has computer access, wherever, but find where that is for you, or your mom's house because she has a different computer and internet and she'll let you go there, wherever you're going to go, so that when something happens you're not just stuck and fall way behind in the class. So make sure you have a backup. Use that Ask My Instructor button in my math lab and put a little note with it for what you're getting stuck on. It comes right to my email, and you and I are the only ones who see it, and then I know exactly what problem you're having trouble on and I can help you figure it out. Do try some of the online resources. There are some in my math lab that they'll walk you through problems. It'll walk you through the problem if it's a problem that was made by the publisher. If it's a problem I made, you're stuck with the Ask My Instructor, and I really don't mind answering, so please feel free to do that. If you don't know about a policy for the class, or you're not sure when something's due or where to find some materials, email me. I do not mind telling you. That's what I'm here for. Keep a positive attitude. If you already knew how to do all this math, you wouldn't need this class. So we know everybody in this class is learning and is trying their best to do well. So keep that in mind as you're working. You are not expected to be an expert from day one. We know that you're going to be learning things, and that means you'll make mistakes. And your mistakes are just helping you learn to do it better. So embrace that as a learning exercise, and you'll be doing just fine. You will have to work at problems sometimes. Some of them won't make sense the first time. Sometimes you'll have to watch and re-watch videos that I've made for you because you didn't quite catch, how did she get from this place to this place? It doesn't make any sense to me. That's okay. Keep at it. Don't give up on yourself. Don't be afraid of putting in a lot of effort. Don't be afraid of asking questions to help you learn, and work hard, because hard work and deep learning, meaning that you're really trying to understand it and learn it, not just trying to pass a quiz, but you're really trying to understand the material, that's going to pay off for you in better grades.